If you're thinking about joining the Jamaican cannabis industry, here are a few things you should know. To be eligible, your company must be registered with the Companies Office of Jamaica and be majority owned by Jamaicans. Individuals applying for a cultivator's license must be living in Jamaica for more than 3 years. You can apply for one or all of the following licenses: a cultivator's license, a processing license, a transport license, a retail license, or a research and development license. What do these licenses cost? A cultivator's license costs between $2,000 to $3,500. A processing license costs between $3,500 to $10,000. A transport license costs $10,000. A retail license costs $2,500, and a research and development license costs $5,000. The completed application form, $300 fee, and required documents should be submitted to the Cannabis Licensing Authority.